Wow, magic!
Hi guys, how are you? Do you know what animal like the most to eat? Come, let's go.
Dog,
Bones,
cat,
milk,
monkey,
bananas,
cow,
grass,
rabbit,
carrot,
frog,
insects
pig,
like apples,
squirrel,
like nuts. They're like fishes,
hen,
grains,
elephant,
fruits,
giraffe,
leaves,
honey bee,
like honey. These are the most favorite things. You like it? For more interesting videos, you can watch in Wow Magic.